So today I'm going to be riding one of the many trails up at Haldon, which I haven't ridden before. So it's an off-piste trail and it's an amazing line. Let's go and have a look. So in this video I'm going to be riding the Bird of Prey off-piste trail at Haldon. So to get to the trail you want to turn left from coming out of the Haldon entrance and follow this road for about half a mile to a mile, and just about where the green trail, just after where the green trail comes out, you cycle on a little bit further and you should get here. So you want to look out for this path. There's a few that look like it could be it back there, but it's not, it's quite obvious. So then we want to go down there and we'll get to the Bird of Prey. Okay, so you want to go up here and follow down here. A little bit of the trail to start, then turn right down here, and here we are. So the trail that we're going to be doing today is the Bird of Prey. So the one that we'll be doing is the one with like the hump at the start. So here we are. So now we're all ready to start shredding the trail. Okay. Starts off pretty flat. It's a good test for your fitness. So this trail has multiple technical features a little bit later on. So it's a good test for your bike and your technical skill. So this is where things start to get a bit more spicy as the roots get bigger and it gets a bit muddier. So thank you for Zed and Henry to show me where this trail is. So if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't actually know where this trail was. I've seen it on a few YouTube videos, but I've had no clue where it is. So this trail has some slightly off-camber sections with some deep roots. And here's a good example of it. I crashed on my first time down it, but hopefully the second time I cleared it. So there you can see me just about clearing it. Just about made it, I'd say. The camera and the GoPro don't really show the full extent of how technical that little section is. It gets even more rootier further on, so if you're riding this you might want to stay ready. That is good fun, I have to say. A few roots. Jump. So the day that I'm riding this trail is pretty wet. So it's good fun to ride, although it does run a bit slower and you get soaked. It's really good fun to clean the bike and yourself after the ride. So I actually thought this trail might have been a little bit shorter from what I saw online. But it's actually an amazing, really long, fun downhill trail. So here is where the trail starts to speed up a little bit, with a few fun jumps on the way. So every now and again, if you look out to the side of the trail, you should see a few little jumps or a few other lines. So here's me riding one. So some of them can actually be better than you think. Like this one, which leads speedily into the Bird of Prey trail. So continuing over the fire road, soon we have some tight switchbacks to contend with. I can imagine this section could be amazing in the summer, with all of the bluebells out. Although this section does get a little bit wetter in the winter, it's definitely great fun to ride. If you're going to ride the trail, I recommend not skipping out this bit. So here is where it's worth riding a full suspension bike. It absolutely steams through all of the routes and you can have an amazing time speeding round. Whereas on a hardtail, you might have to slow down a little bit more. So this trail I think is one of the better trails at Haldon. It's rooty and it's got a few jumps, so if you like roots and jumps, I reckon this is a really good technical trail for you.